Hi friends, let us discuss verbal aptitude theory and solving the questions at once because the entire theory will make you bore, and two more things to be taken. For verbal aptitude gate, you must be able to know the word usage and sentence reading. There is no need for your grammar knowledge. Okay, now let us focus on our word usage and sentence reading and finding out the faults in the sentences. Okay, right. Now let us start with the topic sentence correction and verbal reasoning. Mostly there will be two questions in gate on these topics. Okay, now focus on the sentence and find out the fault in the sentence. Okay, see the first one. The widow made pleas after pleas to the police inspector for a quick disposal of the matter. You have to find out the wrong ones and correct it. See here, pleas after pleas. Observe this. See, the normal usage will be day by day, time to time, year after year, time after time. See here, is there any plural usage? There will be only singular usage. Okay, now the sentence is not please after please, it will be plea after plea. Okay, plea after plea. We have to use only singular things. See here, day by day, time to time. These are the normal word usage, right? Year after year. Is there any plural thing? No? Yes, you have to use only singular thing, right? Find out the fault. Now similar way, next sentence. No matter how hardly he tries, he never succeeds. Now what is the wrong end thing? See here, he is working hard it seems, but he is not getting succeed is the main motto of the sentence. But see here, hardly is the wrong thing to be appeared. There hard must appear. Hardly is negative adverb. Hardly means negative adverb. Hard means positive adverb. So you have to use positive adverb hard. No matter how hard he tries, right? How hard he tries. Now what is the option there? B, right? If there is hard, it is positive. You have to be averagely good in sentence reading. Okay, try to read some novels. Okay, interesting novels, that will be very helpful for your verbal reasoning. Next one. She looked so stunningly beautiful, I couldn't take my eyes off her it seems. See here, off is the wrong thing, right? What is the meaning of off? Off means relationship between two things, right? One half of other, right? Ramu is twice fast as Sita, right? Half of Gita, right? Relationship between two quantities is given by off. You have to use the word off. Off means keeping distance away, right? So see here, minute things. So I couldn't take my eyes off her means move away from her must be the meaning. Now what is the option here? D satisfies the option C here, of her. Next, all the hotel rooms are air conditioned and have attached bathrooms it seems. Is there any mistake in this question? Observe the things. All the hotel rooms are air conditioned and have attached bath. There is no problem in this question. No correction is required. Sometimes this type of questions may also appear in the examination, right? Next, don't throw that away, it might come in handily it seems. There is No such word handily in English dictionary. You can observe in Oxford dictionary. Okay, handy is the correct word. Handy is the correct word. Now what is the option here? Come in handy is the correct one, right? Observe the sentences, right? The department authorities are unwilling to impart information and were refused to either conform or to deny the charge. Observe the sentence. See here. The department authorities were unwilling to impart the information and they have used a connective. See here, either or. Either or, they have used a connective there. Refuse to either confirm or to deny the charge. Again, if there is one connective and there is no need to use another connective, right? Were is not you. There is no need to use were, right? Now the option will be refuse either to conform or to deny. Okay, right? Either or, neither nor, or connecting words, right? Next, I accepted his advice of booking the tickets in advance for vacation and did it immediately. Now observe the things there. I accepted his advice of booking the tickets in advance for the vacation and did it immediately. No, it is the no. See, the you have to correct this word, did it. No, here it must not be used, because see here, he accepted his advice immediately, right, and done the booking advance immediately. Now it is used for future tense. Now it must be replaced by so, right? So immediately, right? If you observe any some English, English serials or Quantico series, then you can find out the very good verbal things, right? Okay, my parents both are doctors, it seems. See here, my parents both are doctors. See here, after noun there is no need of usage of adverb, right? Both is adverb connecting two things. But see here, it is only one thing. His parents, and his parents are doctors. Then why there is they need to connect to a thing? Now both is not used. My parents both are doctors must not be used. After noun there must be no usage of adverbs, right? Both my parents are doctors are correct thing, right? The connective must not be used between single things. Okay, his parents and his parents are doctors, then there is no need to use both in between them. You have to use both in front of them. Okay, next, you are as rich and even richer than your friend. Observe the wrong thing here. See, you are comparing with one person. The statement is you are as rich and even richer. Is there any possibility of being rich and more than rich, right? Either he has to be rich or richer than your friend, right? It cannot be end, right? Or things can be happen, but end cannot be happen in this case. Observe the things, easy thing, as rich as or even richer. Either he may be equal or more. He cannot be more, he cannot be same at say, he cannot be equal on both things, right? See here, he can be either equal or greater, right? He cannot be both at once, right? That is the thing I want to explain you, right? Your answer is irrelevant for the given question. See here, blunder, for is not the thing to be used, irrelevant to normal word usage. Okay, now most of the salary he earns Most of the salary he earns is spent on. See here, it's a past thing. Normally his salary will be spent on. Spend is the not word to be used. Spent, right? Observe the correct things here. Spent, sorry, I'll write it again for you. Spent, right? Spent must be the word usage, right? So see here, second part is wrong and spent is the correct thing to be used. Now banks are increased interest. See here, blunder. See here, R is a thing, is the blunder. Banks have increased, right? Normal word usage, rates to attract investments, right? Next, IT firms prefer engineers than commerce graduates. See here, there is no comparative thing here. When there are two things, he will choose one thing. So than is blunder here. Than, in the place of than you have to use two. IT firm prefers engineers to commerce graduates is the correct thing because of the technical skills they possess, right? Two, right? See, normal usage, these are the previous gate questions, right? Normal word usage. Next, the gaps in the ozone layer were very large. See here, this is a continuous thing happening, right? Am I right? And they covered the entire continent. See here, the wrong one, very large must not be used as it is a continuous thing, so you have to use so large, right? It is happening in the past, in the present, and it will happen in the future also. So must be used in the place of very, so large that. Next, if the captain will be provided, see here, will means it must be damn surely occurred. Can you give me an assurance if the captain will be provided with the much needed rest, he will utilize it entirely to continue the good work? No, we cannot assure that. Many things can happen. No, see here, will is the wrong thing used. If the captain is provided, the captain is provided with the much needed rest, he will utilize the to continue the good work. Is means if he is provided, then he will utilize the things for the good work, right? Will must not be used. You cannot assure the thing, right? In the end, the leading batsman and bowler emerged out, it seems. It's not filtration, right? Upon 11 remaining 2, it's not filtration, so we must not use out here. We have to remove this word, right? Emerged as the saviors of the team. Emerged as, right? Observe the things carefully. Next one, see here, these type of verbal questions are being frequently asked in the gate, right? Verbal reasoning questions. Now see here, these questions are based on the following information given below are the codes for digit symbols. Study the conditions given below and answer the questions that follow. See here, you are given with some digits and observe here, this is not C, this is at the rate of C, right? Change it for me. Okay, now conditions. If both first and third elements are symbols in the given question, then interchange their codes is the first condition. If the second and fifth elements are perfect squares, then code both of them as P is the second condition. Third condition, if both the third and fourth elements are prime numbers, then code both of them as Q is the third condition. If the first element is a symbol and the last element is a perfect cube, then code both of them with last element's code is the given condition. Fifth condition, if the last and fifth elements are odd numbers, then code both of them as W is the given condition, right? Upon using these conditions, you have to make a code. Now first one, see here, at the rate of 9 3 5 5 and 3. Now see here, which condition is satisfying here? Third condition is satisfying here. If the both third and fourth elements are prime numbers, then code both of them as Q, it seems. So all options are satisfying. Now see here, is any other condition satisfying? No. So code the remaining things as given in this table. At the rate will be given as M, and 9 will be given as E, 3 5 will be coded as Q only. Next 5 is coded as F, and 3 is coded as Z. Observe the table, very easy. B is the option. Now next question. Question mark 3 asterisk mark 4 5 6, right? 5 6. Okay, now what is the given condition there here? See here, if the first condition is satisfying here, see here, first and third are symbols, it seems, then you have to interchange their codes. For question mark, the code is G, so you have to give it for asterisk mark, and for asterisk mark the code is K, and you have to give K to the given things. Only A, E and B will satisfy the given conditions, and the rest, see here, 3 is coded as Z, and again 5 is coded as Z, G, as they interchanged. Now 4 is coded as, see here, 4 is coded as N, 5 is coded as 6, 6 is coded as V, 5 is coded as V, and 6 is coded as A. Now the option is E. Next one, star 6 5 9 C8. Now see the thing, question here, star 6 5 9 C8, right? Go back, and what the thing is satisfying here? See here, if the first element is a symbol and the last element is a perfect cube, see here, if the first element is a symbol and the last element is a perfect cube, see this is a perfect cube, 2 cube, right? Then code both of them with last elements code. Then you have to code both element with last element. What is the code for 8? Yes, so you have to code with S and S for the things. Okay, C, only C, E option satisfies, and see here, remaining options, 6 is coded with A, and 9 is coded with 5 is coded with D. So option will be C option. Very easy to observe. And see this question, which condition is satisfying here? 2 at the rate of 6 8 5 9. Okay, now see here, if the last and fifth elements, see the fifth condition, if the last and the fifth elements are odd numbers, if the last 1 2 3 4 5 and fifth elements are odd numbers, 5 and 9 are odd numbers, then code both of them as W. So your options must be B or D. Yes. Now 2 is represented with which code? X, and next at the rate of is represented with M, and 6 is represented with A, and psi is represented with R. So the option will be fourth one. Next question, similar type. Study the following letters, symbols, digits, sequence and answer the questions given below. 2AQ 518 pi infinity 9RTU5 star 6CYP at rate of asterisk mark 34 is a sequence given. Which element is second to left of the 8 of the left of the 7th element from the right hand? It's saying In this type of questions, what we have to do is fragment the questions into simpler parts, okay, from the right end of the question. Now see here, fragment this question up to this seventh element from the right end. Now find out this element and eighth to left of that element. Fragment this. Now fragment up to the second to left of the 8. Now can you get, see here, seventh element from the right end is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Is this C will be the seventh element from the right end, and eighth to left of from this eighth it seems. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, infinity is the eighth element. Now from this element second to left means 1 2 8, 8 will be the answer, right? Now if all the letters in the given sequence are arranged in the alphabetical order and taken starting of the sequence followed by remaining elements in the given order, then which of the following elements is 12th element from the left end? So we have to rewrite the sequence. We'll write the sequence, right? See here, A P Q R T U Y 2 pi 1 8 pi infinity 9 5 star 6. See here, this is not C, this is at the rate of C, okay, at the rate of C, at the rate of A, asterisk mark 3 4 is the sequence. Now find out then which of the following element, 12th element from the left hand, it means 3rd 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So pi is the 12th element, right? Easy things, easy pickings. Now if the consecutive elements in the given sequence are interchanged, consecutive elements are interchanged with one another starting from the first element, then which of the following elements is seventh element from the right, it seems. So you have to again rewrite the sequence. You have to interchange the consecutive elements. By interchanging, this will be the sequence. See here, A 2 pi Q 8 1 infinity pi R 9 U T star 5 at the rate of C 6 P Y asterisk at the rate 4 3 is the sequence. Now we have to find out the seventh element from the right hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 is nothing but 6, right? Seventh element is nothing but 6. In a certain way, 2a5 is related to 1q pi. 2a5 is related to 1q pi, and 8r infinity is related to 9t star. Now 6uc is related to how much? Observe the things here. 2 is related to the next number immediately, and A is related to the next alphabet in the sequence, and 5 is related to pi next symbol. Similarly, this is also similar case. Now see here in the sequence, observe the sequence going back, okay. 6uc is related to 3 of this next number, and u is related to its next alphabet y, right? And C at the rate of C, at the rate of C, and C is related to what? C is related to the next symbol at the rate. This is not CM, this is at the rate of C. It's a typo error. At the rate of C is related to at 5 in the next sequence. So option will be C, right? Observe the things carefully. Four of the following are alike in a certain way based on the given sequence and so form a group. Which is one that does not belong to that group, it seems. See here, Q28. Observe the sequence in Q28 going back. What is the thing there? Exactly one, there is one element difference between Q and 2 and two elements difference between Q and 8. Similarly for pi 1 r also, see here exactly one element is different between 1 and pi, and 1 pi and r there is two elements. All the sequence satisfies, but only C will not satisfy. See here 1 q r, it is after 1 and q must have only 1 and q and pi must be 2, but there are 3, right? Q and pi, 1 and pi has only one relationship, it must be 1 and 2, but 1 and pi has only one element between them, there must be two elements between them. Similarly, find out this sequence, right? J89, this is somewhat an easy one. P, this is a sequence given then. How many such symbols are there which are immediately preceded and followed by a letter? See how many symbols are there which are immediately preceded by a letter. There must be an English alphabet letter, right? And followed by also a letter. Now find out the sequence, how many are there? See here, exclamatory mark is there, S and G. Now see here, sum of is there, G and L. Now dollar symbol is there with preceding and followed by letter. Percentage is there with preceding and following by letter, and asterisk mark is there preceding by following by letter. So how many are there? 5 are there. So option is 5. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Find the one that does not belong to that group. See here, 9CP. 9CP. What is the link between them? 9CP. M dollar U. Isn't it? M dollar U. See here, between 9 and C there are two elements. Between C is exactly after P. Now same thing, M and dollar there are two elements, and exactly before dollar there is U. Everything follows the same pattern except B option. Observe the things, that will be very easy for you. Next, which element is fourth to left of 15th element from the right end is, it seems. So again fragment this from the right end, 15th element from the right end. So 15th element from the right end. And what is the 15th element from the right end? Observe the sequence, you will get, and again you have to find out from that element fourth to left. This is the thing. By observing this you will get the option D. Yes. Now find the 15th element from the right end. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. L will be the 15th element, and fourth to left, 1 2 3 4. S will be the fourth to left, right? See here, L is this number and S is this number. If the first half of the sequence is reversed, then what is the sixth element from the right end, from the left end, right? See here, let us reverse the sequence. First half, L sum, G exclamatory, S X N 6 at the rate of C, P at the rate 9 8 J, M 4 U dollar, D percentage, T Y, E exclamatory mark, R 2 A star mark is the sequence. Now from the left hand, sixth one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now what is the answer? Yes is the answer, right? How many symbols are there between sixth element from the right end, the ninth element from the left end? How many symbols are there between the sixth elements from the right end and the right end, the ninth element from the left end? See here, you have to check the element from left and right, then there will be 4 elements. Observe the sequence, you will get it very easily. Start from the left end, ninth, and start from the 6th. So in between this you have to find out the symbols. There will be 4. Okay. Now again, this is a type of question. See, these 3 are previous gate questions. We have framed this for your sake. Okay. Now see here. In a certain code language, partner is coded as OZQSMDQ, it seems. Okay. Now see here, I will write here partner. Now OZQSMDQ is the code given it. Then what is the code for the word segment in that language? Now how the code is given for partner? See here, there is no difference between, there is no letter gap between P and O, M N O P, right? Now P before letter is O, A before letter is Z, going by in cyclic manner. R before letter is Q, T before letter is S, N before letter is M, E before letter is D, and R before letter is Q. So see here, the code is given like this. They have written the previous letters for the given letters. Now your answer must be the same. Segment, previous of S is R, previous of E is D, previous of G is F, previous of M is L. In the same way, if you can find out the answer, what will be the code? RDF LDMS. Your second option will satisfy. Right. In a certain code language, if the word rectangle is coded as TGV PING, I will remove the previous one in order to have a clarity. Okay. PVG GVC PING is the code. Now rhombus is how rhombus is coded. Let us see how rectangle is coded. TGEVCPING. Now see here, there is one letter gap between R and T, RST, one letter gap between E and G, one letter gap between C and E. Similar case, all the letters have one letter gap between their codes. Now this is the way the code formed. There must be one letter gap between R and T. Now the rhombus is also coded with one letter gap. So R after, what is the thing? G, T, E, H after J, O after Q, M after O, B after D, U after W, and S after U, one letter gap. Now the answer will be T, J, Q, O, D, W, U. No, C option, T, J, Q, O, D. In a certain code language, if the word sphere is coded as EREPHS, then see here, the letter sphere is exactly reversed here. Then how the word is exhibition code? Exactly reverse of the exhibition. NOITIBIHXE. Now the option will be first option, right? Next one, observe the questions there. Again, see, we have made a mixed thing in order to make you interesting. Okay, again we will go to sentence correction. Not a word they spoke to the unfortunate wife about it, it seems. See here, not a word they spoke, see, unfortunate about it, it has happened in the past. Not a word Did they speak must be the correct. Did they speak? This is a past thing. Observe this is a past thing. The poor villagers have waited in bitter cold for more than 4 hours now. See here, it is being going on now. It is a present thing. Now this has, it is given as past thing. So it must be changed into present thing. Have been waiting. A is the correct one. If he had time, he will call you. Right? If he had time, he will call you. This is the sentence which has happened in the past. Observe the things there. So if we had time, he has called you is the correct thing, right? Right. Next one. All but her had made an attempt, it seems. All but her not. See here, you must not use her here, right? This is a secondary noun. You must use she here. All but she had made an attempt is the correct thing. Observe the thing, these are normal things which we are using every day. I am used to hard work, it seems. I am used, see here, after verb there must be adverb, right? Work is verb and hard is adverb. Work hard, right? A. I am used to work hard. 20 kilometers. See, blunder or not. See, this is not or. You have to use is. Is not a great distance in these days of fast moving vehicles, right? Is blunder things. This they were working as usually. No, see here, the working, already the work is going on. You must not use usually, as usual. He is unlikely to come to the party. If he comes, I would talk to him, it seems. He is unlikely to come to the party. He is not willing to come to the party. But if he comes, I would talk to him. There is no mistake in this question. Purely correct. No improvement is required. The passengers have formed, right? This is not a thing that had happened. Form, right? Form is the correct thing. Form queue at booking counter much before a train arrives. This is a thing happening every day. You must be concerned for this, right? You must complete this work up to Sunday. See here, blunder. This is not up to Sunday. Means up to Sunday means up to Sunday you have to do the work is the thing given, but you have to complete the work by Sunday, right? By Sunday means Sunday is the deadline. Sunday is the deadline. If it will rain, the match will be abandoned. If it will rain, right? If it will rain. See here, we cannot predict the things. If it rains, we can say the things, right? We cannot shortly say. Will is a short thing. Will. Shall is a predictory thing. If it rains, which is the correct thing, right? How long do you think Mr. Kamal knew John? See here, knew is then complete word which must not be used. Has known John is the correct thing. See here, two nouns are there. Has must be included and known, right, is the correct thing that must be used. Okay, now next one. Now let us have a teaser of filling the questions. Okay, we have completed sentence correction. Let us have a teaser. He has been winning the election, but this time his popularity is on the wane. He may not win this time. Wane is the correct word. See here, he may not win. It's in wane means declining his popularity. So the remaining thing are giving increasing, ascendance. Rise are the words used for rising in popularity. Wane is a word used for declining in popularity. Do not dash him, he has done no harm to any of you. Do not accuse him. See here, discussing, refer, admire are the things that will cause you happiness, right? No, accuse means show pinpointing him, right? More than one person was killed in the accident. More than one person was killed in the accident. Accident was happened in the past. Now the sentence is purely correct, so there is no improvement in this.